Relay Bank Review. Is it a legit online business bank? So Relay Bank is an online banking platform designed specifically for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. It offers multiple business checking accounts, streamlined expense management, and integrations with accounting tools like QuickBooks. So the goal is to make the business banking more transparent, flexible, and user-friendly. So for the pros, there's no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. It's up to 20 individual checking accounts for budgeting and expense control. You can have easy integrations with accounting softwares like QuickBooks, and they have a free domestic and international wire transfers, and also has a user-friendly dashboard and mobile app for managing finances. The cons is though, they have no physical branch access, and the cash deposits can be inconvenient. They also have a limited lending products compared to traditional banks. So overall, Relay Bank is a legit online business bank that's perfect for startups, freelancers, and small businesses looking for flexibility and fee-free banking.